Buckle up, and let's now dive into watching the entire video. In the pursuit of a fulfilling life, we often overlook the fundamental building blocks that pave the way to true happiness and success. Join us as we delve into the essential components that comprise a life of abundance and fulfillment. At the core of a good life lies the cornerstone of good sleep, where rejuvenation and restoration occur. Combine this with the power of good habits, from regular exercise to mindfulness practices, and you'll lay the groundwork for vitality and longevity. Expand your horizons through good exposure, whether it's traveling to new destinations, immersing yourself in different cultures, or simply stepping out of your comfort zone. Embrace the richness of life through diverse experiences that stimulate growth and learning. Nourish your soul with meaningful interactions, fostering connections that uplift and inspire. From heartfelt conversations to acts of kindness, cultivate a supportive network that fuels your journey towards fulfillment. A thirst for knowledge fuels the fire within, driving you towards continuous growth and self-improvement. Stay curious, embrace new challenges, and remain open to learning opportunities that expand your perspective and enrich your life. Lastly, nourish your body and mind with a good diet, fueling yourself with the nutrients needed to thrive. Embrace whole foods, balance your meals, and savor each bite as a celebration of health and vitality. Incorporate these essential components into your life, and watch as the path to true happiness and fulfillment unfolds before you. Start your journey today. Thanks for watching the entire video. Remember, your feedback will help us improve the quality of the channel. See you again soon on a similar video. Have a great day.